they're desperately looking for a place to get this young man to have surgery because he needs much more than what they can do here. So we lent Dr. Poust our satellite phone so that he could try to call some people. He's calling anyone he can think of to get to a more sophisticated hospital. I'm just amazed. I'm just amazed at what's here. This is like another world compared to the other hospital.
For us, it's not our first time that we are coming abroad in these kinds of Holocaust, and it's very important for us to save people, to save lives.
Imaging department. I mean, imaging. My God, they have machines here. They have actual operating rooms, and it's just amazing.
וכל אהבה נגמרת, רק אתה ממשיך לתהות.
The Israelis have set up a field hospital. Has the American government set up a field hospital?
Currently not yet.
The Israelis came from the other side of the world.
Mm-hmm. It's a frustrating thing that I really can't explain.
We're going to go straight to Craig. He is standing by at the Israeli Army's field hospital with the chief of surgery. Craig?
Yeah, Kimberly, it's a story of life and death here at this field hospital. This young man was found crushed in a building.
אנחנו עושים פה משהו חשוב. אתם, ההבדל פה באזור הזה בין חיים ומוות